Space. Check Windows down there. Using dash screen.
Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Keith here again at KTB Web Services, and in this video we're going to do another video using a screen reader in Microsoft Word, and this one's going to be how to align and format your document using shortcut keys on your keyboard. So the way I'm going to do this is I have a document already here and opened
Using
up,
dash screen dash reader.
and we're going to go to the very top of it. And
Using a screen.
I'm using JAWS 2018 screen reader, a little outdated, but still relevant. So the first thing we're going to do is alignment. So I'm going to use this very first line.
Using a screen reader in Microsoft Word.
You hear it there, and I'm going to select it.
Using a screen reader in Microsoft Word.
And then what we're going to do is center this. So to center, we want to press Control E.
Centered.
Okay, and you hear it announced centered. Now that's our first command that we're going to look at. So the next command that's our first alignment. The first format command we want to look at is how to look at what formatting is already present. So that is the JAWS key or insert or caps lock, whichever one you have set for your JAWS key, but you press that down and press F.
11 point, black on white, calibri, highlighted, normal style, line spacing, colon, one lines, period, paragraph formatting, colon, centered, outline.
Okay, so we get a lot of information there about the formatting, but you do hear that the alignment is centered. So the next command that we want to look at for alignment is to justify this text. So Control J.
Justified.
All right, so justification. To justify your text just means to put an even amount of space on each side of the line in between the margin in the paragraph, and then the last line is left indent. Okay, so the next alignment is Control R.
Aligned right.
All right, and you hear it announced align right. And the last one is Control L, and this is going to align left.
Aligned left.
Okay, and we did all of that with this first line. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to learn some shortcut keys as we format this. So the first line.
Using a screen reader in Microsoft Word.
All right, this is my initial heading, the main topic is of what we're going to write about or do a video on. So we're going to select this,
using the screen.
And the next thing we're going to learn is how to make it a heading level 1. So a heading level 1 is simply Control Alt 1.
Alt Control 1.
Okay, so we read, I'm going to up arrow.
Heading level 1 using a screen reader in
Okay,
Microsoft.
now you hear heading level 1, and then it reads us that line. So we're also going to use one of our alignment shortcuts
using
to center it, Control E.
Centered.
Alright, so we're going to move to the next line.
How to align and format using shortcut keys.
Alright, so this is our subtitle. This is going to be a heading level 2.
New notification from.
So to show you how to do that, let me get
Windows
out of this
D,
notification.
Tab, clear all notifications, enter, tab, clear all, enter, notification, tab, clear all, enter, tab, collapse, quick, tab, tablet mode, button, escape,
Alright.
alt tab.
Sorry about that. Okay, so
how to align and
this is going to be a heading level 2. Now to do that, you want to select
how to align and format using shortcut.
That line, you want to simply do it Alt Control 2.
Alt Control 2.
Now I'm going to go up and then back down.
Heading level 2, how to align and format using shortcut.
Alright, so you hear heading level 2, and then it reads us that subheading. So we're going to move down to our next line.
In this article, we are going to take a look
at. So now we are in the paragraph. So some paragraph things I want to show you is first the spacing. So right now we're in 1.1 lines on our spacing. We want to make it the entire document. Let's make it 2 inches on our spacing. So or double. So what we're going to do is select the entire document, Control A.
Using a screen reader in Microsoft Word.
And then what we're going to do is press Control 2.
Control 2.
Alright, so now we're going to check our formatting with that little command, your JAWS key and then F.
Mixed point size, black on white, mixed font, highlighted, mixed style, line spacing, colon, double, paragraph formatting, colon, mixed.
Alright, let me let you listen to it again without it being highlighted.
Heading level. 16 point. Steel blue 4 on white. Calibri light. Heading 1 style. Line spacing colon double. Paragraph form.
Okay, you hear line spacing double. We also want to make
Oh,
this heading.
using a screen.
I'm going to select it and center it. Control E.
Aligned left.
Oh, sorry.
Centered.
It was already centered.
Heading level 2.
Alright, so,
This article heading.
we were on the wrong heading.
Oh, how to align it.
We'll do this
Centered.
one. Okay, there we go. Now that one's centered.
In this article, comma, we are.
Okay, so we've doubled our spacing. Now to get back to single spacing, you would simply just select again and press Control 1, and that's going to put you back to just single. Now you can also do 1.5 spacing if you would like, and that's going to be select your document and then press Control 5. Okay, so now what we want to do is I want to show you how to change, this would be the last thing. I want to show you how to change your font family, your font size, and if you have any different styles, you can change it where we're about to go. So what you want to do is press Control D as in Delta. First you want to select your document if there's any text in it. So we're going to select everything and press Control D.
Control D, font dialog, font page, font colon edit combo. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type.
Alright, so the first thing it wants us to do is type in a font family. So we can set the value or down or up arrow through this list. So what we're going to do is we're looking for Times New Roman. So we're just going to type time and then down arrow.
Times New Roman.
And then you hear it there, we're just going to leave that, and now we can just tab.
Tab, font style colon edit combo. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value.
Alright, so font style
Regular.
is regular,
Italic.
but we can make it italic,
Bold.
or we can bold,
Bold italic.
bold italic,
Bold italic.
and then
bold. Regular.
So it's regular, bold, italic, or bold italic. So we're just going to leave it on regular.
Tab, size colon edit combo. To set the value, use the arrow key.
So our size, we can set the value with down arrow, up arrow. Up arrow is going to move it down. Down arrow is going to move it up. We're actually just going to type it 12. We're going to hit tab.
12. Tab, font color left parent no color.
Okay, so that's the only ones that I want to show you for now. I'll go in more detail, more depth in a future video when we go more in detail on how we want to style our document and make custom styles that we can just select whenever we need them. So we're gonna hit escape on this.
Escape. Edit.
Now what you want to do is you want to check.
Control S.
I hit Control S to save, and then I'm just gonna press JAWS key F to check the format.
Mixed point size, black on white, mixed font, highlighted, mixed style, line spacing colon double, paragraph format.
And we want to get it off of this highlight.
Heading level 1. 16 point, steel blue 4 on white, Calibri light, heading 1 style, line spacing colon double, paragraph formatting colon centered, outline level colon 1.
Alright, so you hear that it's doubled.
Heading level 2.
Let's look at the paragraph.
11 point, black on white, Calibri, normal style, line spacing.
Okay, so when I said to hit escape, we should have hit enter. So we're going to go back and select all, hit Control D.
Control D, font dialog.
I'm going to move a little faster through this. We want to first type in time.
Times New Roman.
Times New Roman, hit tab. Style is going to be regular. The size will be 12.
Tab, font color.
And then we're going to hit enter.
Size colon edit combo 12.
Oh, we need to be on the size. We'll hit enter on this.
Edit.
Okay, so now we want
level 2 in this article
to check our format.
12 point, black on white, Times New Roman, normal style, line spacing colon double, paragraph formatting colon aligned left.
Okay, so we hear 12 point, which we changed it to. We changed the font family Times New Roman. We have our line spacing double, and you see we're line left on the paragraph. One more thing to show you is how to put in an indentation.
Heading left in this article.
So I'll just go to the beginning of this paragraph, and you want to press Control M,
1.5 inches.
and you hear indent 1.5 inches, and then you can listen to that with the format as well. So we're going to end this video here. The next video will be the same thing, just with NVDA. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'm going to start coming out with videos like this every few days. I'm going to try to get it on a schedule. And then if you've been here before, I appreciate you coming back. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And For any questions or requests, please leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.
Alt tab, Alt tab, Alt shift.